Hello. Yes, good afternoon, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen clearly. Today is the second day of the month. This is 2nd of February. So today, basically, we'd like to look at an overview. We want to look at an overview of what we expect to be happening. So we'd like to see exactly what we expect to be seeing during this month, and then possibly carry it forward to what we expect to be seeing for the entire 2 months. So we'll start off with the chart on our screen. This is EURUSD. We'll go to the monthly chart. That's the weekly chart, and then we move forward to the monthly chart. Okay. So on this chart, basically, we do expect sellers to take full control. So look at what has happened. We just opened the month like 2 days ago, and the price has pulled back up almost half of the entire last month's candle. So this could be a sign that the price may likely close to the lower side. So anytime the month starts and then the price immediately moves to the opposite direction for no reason, it possibly means that this could be a pullback, then the price may likely end up closing to the lower side. So in our case here, we do expect price to extend itself to the lower side. We are looking forward for more sell positions. We have a resistance level here. This is a very good resistance level. This one. So this is a very, very good resistance level. This is how it looks. And then you have a very good support here. This is a very good support from this point. Here, the support, here, the support. And then the price came down at this point here, but then it didn't reach our zone. So we have another one at 1.05847. So as it is where the price is now, we do have another level here. So this could be the reason why the price is actually pulling back to the upside, because this is a very good support in itself, 1.12300. So if the price should descend below 1.12300, that is close below this point, then we do expect sellers to push price to the lower side, at least up to 1.08723. So should the price go below this point, we are going to look for sell positions at least up to 1.08723. The next target is 1.05847. So we're looking for a sell up to this level here. The next target is this one. On the upper side, assuming that the price does not pull back down and close below 1.12300, then we are likely to see buyers push price up at least up to this point here. So if you remember what I've mentioned clearly, I've actually given two directions. That is, if the price should close below 1.12300, or should you see daily candles that are closing below this point, then that would be a sign that we are now sellers at least up to 1.08723. On the other side, if the price persistently remains above 1.12300, then that would be a sign that we are buyers at least up to 1.16368. So that is my opinion about Euro USD. The next chart which I'd like to have a look at, I want us to look at GBPUSD. So the first thing I'm seeing on this chart basically is the fact that the previous month's candle, this one, is actually a very good pin bar. So look at what has happened. We are just 2 days into the month, and the price already has a bigger body, even much more than the previous month's candle. So the price as it is now, whatever we are seeing that the price is moving to the upper side, may actually be just a pullback. It may be just a pullback. So expect sellers to push price downwards. I'm going to add more levels on my screen so that you see what we do expect sellers to push price up to. So you can see that actually where the price bounced off from, which is somewhere here, is actually a very good place to look for a buy from. So 1.32734 is still somehow a very good place where you'd like to look for a buy from. So as much as we expect a sell up to this point, the price may for some reasons just head up, but there is a thin support here, resistance, sorry. This is also a very good support. So if the price gets to this point, we may want to look for a sell with our first target here. But the best place to sell it from is if the price goes below 1.32734. So a break below this point will give us the ideal place to look for a sell from, at least up to 1.23187. The next symbol, which I would like us to have a look at, the next symbol which we'll have to look at just a second. The next symbol which we'll have to look at is the US dollar. Japanese yen. So the US dollar Japanese yen, let's load it on my screen so that you're able to see it. Just a second. We have it here. So this chart as it is now, we are looking forward for the price continue to the upper side on the monthly chart. You can see that already we have these levels, and then we have another here, then you have another level here, then you have another level here, and then you have another level here. So as we are speaking right now, you can see that the price actually has broken beyond above a very good level, 113.731. So while the price is held beyond this level, that's the red candle is still floating above this black line, we do expect price to come back nicely up to it, touch it, so that we can pick a buy from that point, at least up to 117.085. So if the price gets to this point here, we will be looking for buy positions, at least up to this level here, the one we have at the top, 117.085. Our next target is this one here. So technically, these are the main levels we are looking at. These are the main very significant levels that we do expect price to get to. So we have the first target on the upper side, the next target, this one here. On the lower side, if the price goes below 113.731, then our first target is this, the next target is this one here, the next one is this, and then the last one is the one we have at the very bottom. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again on Wednesday next week. So thank you and see you.